Are social media, web surfing, and email monopolizing too much of your time? If you've been thinking about making a change, whether for a digital detox or to simplify your life, then consider retiring your time-sucking smartphone. Trending now is a less distracting device, an inexpensive mobile phone that lacks those addictive apps and is designed primarily for basic voice communications. A dumb phone is essentially an old-fashioned feature clamshell or candy bar-style phone equipped only with a small non-touch display and a physical numerical keypad, which was the norm before the iPhone. A dumb phone, however, isn't actually dumb at all, considering the advanced and sophisticated technology packed within its plastic housing. In fact, it might be an especially smart choice to protect impressionable children from social media or to allow tech-averse seniors to stay in touch. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best dumb phones and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 6. Easyphone Prime A7. The Prime A7 from Easyphone is designed with accessibility in mind, making it ideal for users with fading eyesight and hearing impairments. It features large white buttons with easy-to-read numbers, facilitating effortless dialing. Additionally, the phone supports speed dialing through pictures displayed on its screen, enhancing usability further. Charging is convenient with an included dock, eliminating the hassle of dealing with cables or small jacks. While not a smartphone, the A7 offers practical features such as a 1.3 MP camera, FM radio, music player, calculator, and voice recorder. It operates on T-Mobile's networks, both post and prepaid, and comes with a SpeedTalk SIM card offering plans starting at $5 a month with the option to retain your current phone number. Key specifications include a 1.3 MP camera, no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, 7 hours of talk time, and 96 hours of standby time. Pros include its large buttons, dedicated SOS button, photo speed dial, GPS positioning, and Bluetooth for wireless music listening. Cons include limited network compatibility, a small 2-inch screen, a low-resolution camera, and the absence of a web browser. Number 5. Wisephone 2. The Wisephone 2 stands out among traditional dumb phones by integrating a large high-resolution touchscreen and a powerful 64 MP rear camera, complemented by a 13 MP front camera. This makes it a compelling choice for users who prioritize enhanced visual experiences and photography capabilities. The inclusion of GPS and mapping further enhances its utility, providing navigation and location services typically associated with smartphones. However, the Wisephone 2 is exclusively available through its own website and service plans, limiting purchasing options compared to other devices. Despite its advanced features, it remains true to its category by focusing on essential phone functions rather than offering a wide array of applications. The touchscreen, spanning 6.49 inches, facilitates easy texting with its alphanumeric keypad, catering especially well to avid texters. Available for pre-order with delivery expected in the summer, the Wisephone 2 offers 3 service plans priced at $24,999, $44,999, and $69,999, providing access to varying levels of smart services tailored to different user needs. Number 4. Nokia 110 4G. The Nokia 110 4G is tailored for those seeking a straightforward and budget-friendly mobile experience focused on wireless calls. Weighing just 3 ounces, it features a simple design that prioritizes functionality over complexity. Utilizing 4G voice over LTE technology, the phone ensures clear voice calls, though optimal volume may require using the speakerphone. Its key strengths include a long talk time of up to 12 hours and a quick recharge time of 3 hours, allowing for reliable communication without frequent interruptions. Users can conserve battery power by setting an automatic turn-off time. However, the Nokia 110 4G is limited to T-Mobile networks, which may restrict its usability depending on your location or carrier preference. While it offers basic features such as texting and a mini web browser accessible via 4G, the phone's small 1.8-inch screen and low-resolution 1 MP camera impose limitations. Its memory capacity for messages is also limited, preventing the storage of numerous incoming texts once the memory is full. In summary, the Nokia 110 4G excels in providing a cost-effective solution for those primarily focused on voice communication, offering clear calls and convenient operational features, albeit with some constraints regarding network compatibility and multimedia capabilities. Number 3. Kyocera Dura 15 Extreme Plus. The Kyocera Dura Extreme Plus flip phone is designed to excel in rugged environments, boasting military standard 8.1H certification for durability against dust, shock, vibration, extreme temperatures, and various weather conditions including rain, humidity, and freezing. It can withstand drops onto concrete from heights up to 5 feet, and is IP68 rated for dustproofing and waterproofing up to 6.5 feet for 30 minutes. This makes it suitable for use in hazardous locations with flammable gases. Despite its robust build, the Dura Extreme Plus remains functional with large keys that allow for accurate input even when wearing gloves. It features push-to-talk (PTT) capabilities, transforming it into a walkie-talkie when communicating with other Dura XV users. The phone includes an extra-loud speakerphone for clear conversations in noisy environments and can act as a mobile hotspot for up to 10 devices. While it offers impressive battery life with 2 days of talk time, it is on the heavier side and has a small screen. Additionally, it is exclusively available through Verizon, limiting its accessibility depending on your carrier preference. In summary, the Kyocera Dura 15 Extreme Plus stands out as a rugged and reliable choice for users needing a tough mobile solution, offering extensive durability features and useful functionalities, albeit with some trade-offs in weight, screen size, and carrier availability. Number 2. Punkt MP02. The Punkt MP02 is a premium choice for users prioritizing high-quality security and a unique design in their mobile device. It distinguishes itself with robust digital security features, including a proprietary operating system and encryption software, ensuring secure internet-based calls and texts via Wi-Fi or cellular connections, shielding against potential hackers. In addition to its focus on digital privacy, the Punkt MP02 boasts a physically resilient build. Its candy bar design features a rubbery trapezoidal rear for enhanced grip and a matte polycarbonate chassis reinforced with glass fiber, providing durability against drops and physical impacts. Available in light blue, light gray, or basic black, the handset caters to personal aesthetic preferences while maintaining its protective qualities. However, the Punkt MP02 does not include a camera, which may be a limitation for users needing photography capabilities. Its battery life, offering up to 2 hours of talk time and 180 hours of standby time, is relatively short compared to other devices in its class. Overall, the Punkt MP02 is an ideal choice for individuals valuing privacy and durability in their mobile communication, though potential users should consider the absence of a camera and shorter battery life as potential drawbacks depending on their specific needs. Number 1. Nokia 2780 Flip. The Nokia 2780 flip phone stands out with its impressive array of features, despite its affordable price point, making it a formidable choice for users prioritizing voice communication. Weighing in as lightweight, it guarantees exceptional call quality, boasting clear and loud audio through both its earpiece and an extra-loud speakerphone. Its usability is further amplified by large numeric keys and dual color screens, both internal and external, offering flexibility to cater to diverse user preferences. Equipped with Kyocera and a commendable 5MP camera, the Nokia 2780 does dip into smartphone territory, but its true strength lies in its emphasis on voice calls. Nevertheless, it's worth noting some drawbacks highlighted by reviewers, such as its below-average talk time of approximately 3.5 hours and a relatively lengthy recharge cycle. In sum, the Nokia 2780 emerges as a compelling option for those in search of a dependable and practical flip phone. It seamlessly blends enhanced voice communication capabilities with smart features, though potential users should be mindful of its limitations in talk time and recharge speed, particularly depending on their individual usage patterns.